Ulo, favorite ni Enzo. Oh my God, lahat ng ATM dito hindi nagdi-dispense ng cash. Parang
Tapos na kami sa night market. Napamili kami ng marami.
buhay ng old quarter. Look at that. Grabe yung airport guys ng Hong Kong. Laki. Lawak. Imagine 530 pa naman yung gate. Last gate 530.
From there, paikot, 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 paikot. Oh my God.
Yun na sa kabilang side pa. Okay.
いつもは通らない商店街の隅古い喫茶店のドアを押したマスターが静かに水を置いて
Hey, Milionario. How much is he gonna get? 3 million. How much is he gonna get?
3 million. How many zeros?
9.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ay, oh. Correct. Ay, no. May charge?
550,000.
55,000.
Temporarily unavailable. Hi guys. Oh my God. Lahat ng ATM dito hindi nagdi-dispense ng cash. Parang naubos na yata yung cash sa ATM. So walang naka-withdraw. So yeah, paalis pa lang kami dito sa airport guys kasi buti na lang dinala namin yung dirhams namin. And nakapalit kami sa dirhams. Less 100,000 nga lang. But it's fine. Hi guys! Finally, naka-check-in na kami. And, oo, buti na lang pinayagan kami mag-early check-in guys. It's already 12:30. And, ang pangalan pala ng hotel namin is Hanoi Chic Boutique Hotel. So, very cozy yung reception area niya guys. And, very accommodating din yung receptionist na si Lily. So, hindi masyadong malaki yung kwarto but maganda yung setup ng kwarto guys. So, quick room tour tayo. Ito yung main door. Tapos, at least, by card sila. And then, yan lang. Yan yung bed. King size yan lang. Or double bed ba yan guys? Yeah. And then,
Queen size.
yan, may TV. Ito yung cupboard. Yan lang, guys. Tapos, at least may window. Ito yung gusto ko, may window, guys. At least may natural light. Tapos, to your right, ito na yung washroom nila.
It's nice.
So, maganda din naman yung washroom, guys. Yan. Hi! May blower din. Maganda. See? Oh. Spacious naman. Pwede namin ilagay yung maleta namin somewhere here. And tsaka yung isa doon. Oo, ito. Maganda naman guys. Look at the painting. So, yung binayaran namin guys is, kasi binook namin to sa booking.com. And for 4 days, 3 nights is 3,544,000 mga ganon. So, equivalent to 493 dirhams. Then, nag-request kami kung pwede kaming late check-out sa 8 kasi nga pupunta kami ng Sapa and yung bus namin is 10:30 pa. So, naka-discount kami ng 100,000 kasi yung binigay na price is 950. Tapos, yun, 850 na lang. So, total is mga 4.3 million dong yung danyos namin dito. Oo. So, kapag magbabayad ka daw ng credit card or any card, may charge sila 3%. And then, cash, wala. So, hindi pa namin nabayaran yung hotel kasi pwede naman upon check-out doon magbayad. Magre-rest muna kami, tapos we'll look for a bank to withdraw kasi wala kaming pera. And, we just found out that it's confirmed guys na nandito si Paulo, bagyong Paulo. Bakit na lang? Si Christine, si Paulo. So yeah, let's see. Hindi pa naman nag-chat yung Klook guys kung may cancellation tomorrow kasi Halong Bay yung agenda natin tomorrow guys. But let's see, I'm hoping and we are praying na hindi siya maka-cancel. Okay, so yeah. That's it guys. So we'll just take a quick rest and then we'll explore Old Quarter. Bye! Bye! Hi guys! Welcome back! And welcome back to Hanoi! Yeah, so naka-freshen up na kami guys. We are alive and kicking and ready to explore Old Quarter. So time check tayo guys. It's already 4 p.m. I think nakatulog kami ng 3 oras guys, which is good. Sarap ng tulog namin. And yeah, we are ready to explore Hanoi guys. What I mean, Old Quarter. So first order of business is kakain muna kami kasi wala pa kaming lunch. So maybe early dinner and late lunch na to. So yung plano namin magbunsya kami kasi we've been looking forward to experience to eat that bunsya kasi marami kami naririnig na masarap daw. Wala pa akong na-receive na message from Klook if canceled yung Halong Bay natin bukas, but I'm really hoping and praying guys na hindi siya maka-cancel. Yeah, inantay ko lang si Rhea. We're getting ready. And samahan nyo kami guys as we explore Old Quarter, Hanoi.
Hi guys.
Bongga guys, may
We
elevator.
are refreshed.
May elevator yung hotel namin guys.
So, now we are planning to go to Bonchata. Well, according to our research, isa siya sa masarap na boncha dito sa Vietnam. Hanoi pala, hindi sa Vietnam. Sa Hanoi, Old Quarter. So, it's just 11 minutes walk from our hotel. And then ready na kami para kumain. Woo! Alright.
Si, kaya pa?
Kaya pa. Mostly talaga motor yung gamit dito.
Lapham Hotel.
Saka... Ay! Pusit to, dried pusit.
May drive.
So we just go straight until makaabot tayo sa Butcha.
Conchata. Gutom na kami guys. Medyo humid siya. Kasi mamaya pa daw ng gabi darating yung bagyo guys.
Shala wag.
Wag naman sana. Wag naman sana susunod namin ma-enjoy yung Hanoi. Lord.
So today's video, we are exploring the old quarter, which is the most busiest street in Hanoi. There's so many people, so many tourists, so many motorcycle. Ay, ang tawag dyan?
Rickshaw.
Tingnan yung guys. Tingnan yung guys. Ang daming foreigner na sumasakay sa
Rickshaw.
Are you ready lang? Ready?
Ba, kahit stop guys, tawid lang.
Wala naman kasi ano.
So yung best friend nyo dito guys si Google Map. Kasi malaki yung old quarter guys, din madaming pasikot-sikot. So dapat talaga kayong may map. Hihirapan kayo guys kapag walang map.
Internet is life.
Yeah, internet is not.
Have to get. You have to buy SIM card.
Ay, si Madam.
Sana all, Sister, Mr. and Mrs. At saka walang herb. Walang herb. Perfect.
Ay, gusto na. Bet nilang sumakay ng rickshaw.
Mahal.
Kaya natin to.
Grabe. 5 minutes. I enjoy it. Grabe yung ano dito.
Mas busy yung street dito kaysa Thailand, no? Grabe.
Pero which is fun.
Uy, madaming ako may nakikita na ako, guys.
Wala, patay. Shopping na siya. Wala pa ng pera.
Maganda dyan, no? Large city. Mga handcrafted na mga din. Local brand nila pero sikat na local brand.
Sana, balak namin kanina mag-massage, magpa-massage. Kaso, pagod. Pagod, tulog na lang.
Banmi. Try namin yung banmi, guys.
Pero later,
One of these days.
kain muna kami ng...
Siguro mga snack lang. Ito tayo daan, guys, sa gilid-gilid. Daming motor, guys. Look at that.
Ang late ng road tapos ginagawa pang parking ng iba. Okay, so lakad na kami dito.
Okay.
See you in the Panorama.
Concha. Nandito tayo sa favorite ni Rhea.
Yeah, Beer Street. Later yan. Later in the evening yan. Pupuntahan natin yan mamaya. Before tayo mag-sleep.
Yeah. Hanap namin yung sikat na buncha, guys. Buncha!
I am very proud of myself. Nakatulog talaga ako. Hindi na-excite yung body ko.
Tulog talaga as in.
So guys, kung may mga plans kayo of layovers, well, okay lang naman talaga siya kasi makakapunta kayo sa dalawang country. Pero advice lang, patulog. After ng long day. Kasi hindi kami natulog ni Abby. Kaya pagdating namin dito, sobrang tired na.
Very, very tired.
Kaya yung oras namin na 3 hours sayang, hindi kami nakapaglakad-lakad kasi natulog na lang kami. Kasi it's so tiring. Iba na talaga. Iba na talaga pag may mga
Kapag may edad na daw, guys. Diba?
age tells me to sleep. Guys, hi guys again. We have reached our destination. So, first meal namin ni Abby, we decided to try the famous boncha of Hanoi. Yes. Dito lang yan sa Bonchata. Yeah, Bonchata. Alright. Let's go. Ooh-ha. Okay. So this is Bonchata, guys. Very nice. Thank you.
Sobrang init. Wait lang. I need my...
Okay. So ito yung menu nila. We are ordering full option. Bonchata na lang siguro? Or you want the special?
Yo, special din eh.
No, the
1 and 4 man daw ang kondire.
1 and 4.
Hmm.
Ah, I like this too.
One and
Seafood
4.
spring. Okay, 4. Let's go with best choice.
A few moments later.
I have my bonchata with me. Let's try this. There's a lot of work. Let's try this out first. Let's try without the chili. Tingnan natin guys. Walang chili, walang no chili. Sauce daw, sa sauce. We get some pork and pwede rin siyang timplahan. Can add garlic. Depende sa preference ko. Gusto mo medyo lang. Try it. Seafood spring roll daw. Meron sa amin talaga yung seafood. Hindi ko kaya masarap siya. But, medyo matamis ko. Kasi may sa medyo sweet na. But, once in a while, pwede siya. Wala na yung pag-gutom pa. Ito po may masarap. Masarap. So, kaya naman ako yan. We'll update you later.
I'll add some chili.
Chili.
May pinapagdas. But, Hi guys! Tapos
Hi,
na kaming
guys.
mag-buncha.
Yes! Well,
So, from Buncha pala guys, just like few minutes walk, like 1 minute or 2 minutes, nandito na tayo sa Cafe Gyang.
So we will try foods first, then coffee, and then later on we will have na time to review.
Yes.
Kasi inom na ako ng kape.
Ay, upstairs.
Upstairs.
Where?
Inside or outside? Ay, doon tayo sa loob. Terrace.
So, dito pala sa Cafe Giang guys, sikat sila kasi dito nag-originate yung cafe, egg coffee. Sila yung naunang nakadiscover ng egg coffee guys. So, yan yung itatry natin dito. Buti na lang hindi na masyadong madaming tao. Dito kami sa gilid. Very cute yung cafe nila guys. So, ito yung mga menu nila. So, cafe cha or egg coffee, cacao cha, egg cocoa. What do you want to try?
You want to try the egg, right?
Egg, and how about you?
I will try the salted.
Salted coffee. Ice, both ice. Yes.
So one salted cream coffee. You want to try?
Ikaw, ako egg coffee. I want to try it.
Yeah, that's fine. So you can share.
So, yeah, nag-order kami ng dalawa guys. Salted at saka egg coffee. So, try natin yon and yeah, we'll see.
Okay. So this is the view in Cafe Giang. Actually, wala naman talaga siyang view. Pero if you like lang naman terrace, yes, the terrace. As may aircon din sa loob. Then 2 more rooms. Yeah. Update namin kayo mamaya for the coffee. Kung ano talagang lasa ng egg coffee. And let's see kung swak siya sa panlasa na. I'll see.
So guys, ito na yung coffee natin. Dumating na. So, in order namin is egg coffee, ice. It's 40,000 dong. And then yung kay Rhea is the salted, which is 40 siguro din. So, try na natin guys.
Hi. Let's try. So first, mix. Mix. After honeymoon, nag-coffee. Let's see kung kaya pa ng dyan. Perfect. Very strong. Tapos matitaste mo talaga yung pagka-salted niya. Pero balanse dahil malakas yung kape. I love it. Again. Cheers!
Okay. So for me guys, it's the egg coffee. So taste muna natin. Ito na texture.
Fresh ang egg.
So you just have to mix this. Balik lang ng ice. Yung fresh ice lang. Yung quick mix. Not that sweet. You can feel the coffee, but not the egg. Yung mamalasahan yung egg. Siguro yung best lang siguro na gawin dito is you have to mix it thoroughly para ma-mix yung egg texture at saka yung coffee. So wala siyang langsa. Ito siguro si Idyang. Yung nakadiscover. So, yeah.
Cheers. It's Riyas. My turn. I'll taste the egg. Tikman na natin guys. Kasi yung egg caramel kanina, yung salted caramel coffee, strong siya. And that's what I like about coffee. Yung medyo strong. Let's try this one. Okay man siya. It's nice naman, pero mas bet ko yung caramel kasi I can really taste the strong coffee in here compare mo dito sa egg coffee. Which is a little lighter siya. So, but always on the no complaints. All good. Si Abby naman for the salted caramel. Let's try.
10 out of 10 guys. The best.
So which one you prefer?
Sa dalawa ito siguro. Kasi malalasahan mo talaga yung kape. Yung kape and then hindi overpowering yung caramel salted caramel. So parang balance lang yung tawag dito, yung taste niya. Yung egg coffee naman masarap din siya. Pero if you're a coffee lover, parang medyo lighter lang talaga siya. But these two, must try here.
Must try. Cheers. Hello. Update. So naghanap kami ng ATM for cash withdrawal. And then we found this in front lang ng Cafe Gyang. VP Bank. So we'll try to withdraw here kasi yung minimum withdrawal dito is 5 million. Compare mo sa ibang bank, they only allow us to withdraw 3 million. So let's see ang conversion nito. Okay, so dito na kami sa loob ng ATM machine booth. And we will try to withdraw cash. Inshallah, mayroong laman. Kasi sa airport kanina walang laman lahat ng ATM machine.
So how much are we going to withdraw?
5 million.
Really?
5 million guys, let's see.
Withdrawal.
Savings. Others. 5 million.
Let's try to take environment.
Okay. Okay, and let's put it in environment. Currency is not available from this device. Shit. Walang laman.
The currency is not available for this.
No. Okay, wala.
A big fail.
Let's find
Kaya na naman
another.
tayo guys.
Let's find another machine. Okay. Bye.
Okay guys. We don't have money. We need to.
Guys, mabuhay yung old quarter. Look at that. Buhay na buhay ang old quarter. Daming mga spa dito. Coco Spa. Natural Spa.
Daming hair salon. Magpapagupit si Rhea guys. Pa namin alam.
Spa.
Kailan. Yeah, we need massage.
Ah, I think this is the street, no?
Oh, the market. Yeah. They knows nila, oh, 1 km lake. Oh. Ayos, oh my God. Look at this. Look at the people.
條間神號。
Thank you. May souvenir. Sobrang daming tao, guys. So, every weekend daw, guys,
It's close.
close yung street na to sa 1 km Lake. Kasi parang family day daw nila. Kaya every weekend close to. Then madaming nagbebenta, madaming mga ganap dito guys. Sobrang daming tao kasi it's Saturday today. It's Sunday. It's family day. So nandito na tayo sa 1 km Lake guys. So maghahanap muna kami ng bank guys para gusto namin matry yung city tour. City tour.
Hanapin namin yung Big boats.
Ganda ng sunset, guys.
Check it out. I think it's better we go there in the other side. So we can check the locust.
So, yan yung red bridge. Pero hindi pa. Wala pa siyang lights. Mamaya-maya pa kasi. Hindi pa naman dumilim masyado. So, I'm gonna go there later. Dito muna tayo sa lake nila, guys. Daming mga street food dito. Kahit tao, guys, walang break. Look at that!
Wala itong taas.
Oh, may ilaw na!
So maybe tomorrow we'll have that. If we still have time. After the tour. So yun yung church. And all the way there, walk ng lake nila. Napakalapad. Sobrang dami din ng tao dito. So ikot lang kami sa lake and then hanap kami ng machine na pwedeng withdrawhan. Let's see. Bye! Yan yung tour. So walking lang kami. Feel lang namin.
Daming ganap dito, guys.
Ay, may HSBC Bank.
Nandun yung night market.
Yeah. Look. Woo. So yung area na yun. That's where the night museum. Ask namin kung magkano. 100. So, ask daw may card. Ayan, big bus. Yeah, they have card.
Do you accept card, right?
Card payment is acceptable.
Okay. What's the next schedule? 6:30. Still have time.
Yeah.
Wow. Ah,
yeah.
Okay. But tomorrow it will come here, right?
Okay, then
Yes,
tomorrow.
yes, tomorrow. Because it's very far.
See you. Thank you. So bukas na lang kami guys kasi yung bus daw hindi makakapasok dito dahil close ang street. Right?
Yes. Buti na lang sinabihan kami ni ate. She's so
Bait
nice.
naman si ate. Okay.
Kasi
So ito
malayo
yung
yung opera house, guys, from here. So
This is
there's
the
no point.
Hong Cafe. Tomorrow Coconut Cafe.
Yes.
Or later on. Let's see.
Or Note Cafe. Pupunta
Pero masarap to yung Hong Cafe. Pero sa mayroon naman sa Sapa no? Ayun yung Note Cafe. Coffee pala. Note Coffee at saka Hong Cafe.
Isang place lang pala siya.
Ang dami nagwe-withdraw sa HSBC. Ikot-ikot lang kami dito. Let's find the...
Kaming nagbibenta ng prutas, guys.
Dito lang yan sa gilid na...
But yung advice daw nila kapag bibili ka ng prutas, yung hindi pa pinalisan or slice. For us, just to be safe, guys. Especially if you're so sensitive, yung tummy nyo sensitive. Better buy yung hindi pa chopped or sliced na
Okay.
prutas. Ang saya dito, guys. Ang saya dito, ang daming tao kapag weekend. Sinasara talaga nila yung mga daanan just to accommodate the people na yung convenience, yung tawag dito, yung comfort para walang mga abala sa daan, 'di ba?
So, how much is your withdrawal?
I just withdraw 5 million.
5 million. Okay. No receipt?
No receipt.
Okay po. Anyway, you can see that on your card statement. Count it. 500, 1 million, 1,000, 1,500,000, 2 million. Are very, very millionaire.
How much is the charge?
Ate said it's 50 pesos charge daw for one withdrawal. Let's see. Let's check the phone later for the message kung magkano yung charges nila and magkano yung exchange rate nila. Alright.
Guys, nandito na tayo sa St. Joseph Cathedral. Ganda niya, guys. Sobrang busy today. Daming tao kahit saan, guys.
Guess maybe it's Sunday.
Oo. May mass siya, actually. Ngayon, guys, kaso Vietnam.
Yeah. No English mass. Only 11:30.
Yeah. So, tingnan lang natin yung simbahan, guys. Check natin yung pati tayo makakapasok. Daming tao talaga, guys. Yeah. Guys, dito na tayo sa
Night
Night
market.
Market. Uy, madami shade.
Magche-check lang.
Lago mga shade.
Ah,
Ulo, favorite ni Enzo.
Enzo. Sarang, favorite na
Enzo.
Uy.
Asim.
Enzo,
Asim.
asa mo ha?
Unsa yung gusto?
Ah,
Ang
di
daming
na
tao,
kakayanan.
guys. So, naghahanap kami dito kung ano yung mabili. And then, let's see. Ang daming mga anik-anik, guys. Oy! Favorite. Look at this. Jewelries. Hello. Nice low.
Too much. Too much.
So, guys, nakabili kami ng mga ganito.
Ay, naku, Inso.
Enzo. Ang daming tao, guys. Ang init.
Grabe akong huddle din rin. Diba? So, from 380, 280 plus 70 plus 350. Pinigay niya na lang sa atin ng 320. Ay, you like that one?
Gani.
So, palit mo dito.
Alright, guys.
Speak us.
Dami ng tao. Oy, madami silang mga street food. Street food, guys. I think Korea will like to have this.
Yes. How much is this one?
70.
70.
Wow. 70. And sausage.
How much is the sausage?
15. 1.5.
1.5.
Ay, gabaro ka lang.
Ikaw, palit na.
Ini, no, busog ka. Later
Okay.
na ako sa ta. Later na kami bibili ng street food because it's too heavy for the
Agribank ko. Ah, but it's close. Ang dami mong pagpipilian dito, guys. Di mo alam saan ka bibili. Daming magaganda.
Natanong sa dito.
Oo.
Ari lang ko.
Alright.
Tapos na kami sa night market. Napamili kami ng marami. Joke. So, we're trying to get out from this chaos. Look at this. Okay. Now, I think we have to tabok. Tabok lang, tabok. Asa mo na ito pag tabok niya? Dali. Woohoo! Chaos! Welcome to Hanoi. Skillet lang. Skillet. Okay. So yes guys, nakalabas na kami sa night market. Sobrang dami na tao. I can't. Look at the motorcycle. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. This is weekend in Hanoi. So advice lang kung kung gusto niyo magbakasyon dito tapos ayaw niyo ng sobrang chaotic, parang nasa Divisoria or Baclaran. Huwag po kayong pumunta dito ng weekend. Kasi hindi na po kayo talaga makakadaan. Look at this. Puro motor. Sa gilid ng daanan ng mga tao. Kahit saan lang sila nagpa-parking. Anyway, it's okay. Lakad-lakad lang kami ni Abby. Ay, salamat. Wala na. Out of the street na kami talaga. See you later.
Guys, kahit daanan, nilagyan na ng mga motor. Wala lang madadaanan yung mga tao. Nahanap pa rin namin yung Beer Street, guys. Hindi namin alam saan. Parang naliligaw kami, guys. Hindi namin mapin yung exact location niya. And then, sobrang init. Pinagpapawisan na yung mga kilikili namin dito. Pa yung may sunulog dito, guys. Imagine normal days lang nila to. Everywhere is so crowded. Oh Lord.
Luminous stuff.
Guys, nakakatawa. At sobrang ganda ng experience yung ganito, guys.
So fun.
Halo-halo yung mga tao, lokal, turista, lahat talaga na parang nandito sa may lake. Sobrang nakaka-amaze.
Yes. Madali ang bangkong lang. Look at this place, guys. Wow. Dito na kami sa Beer Street. Drink, coffee, blah, blah, blah. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, nandun ako. Pa. Thank you. Ay. There's a
30 minutes?
30 minutes? Food lang ta? Food? Or full ka?
Only food. With oil.
Yeah, all.
Oil. Legs. How much is the leg?
Yeah. Has leg shoulder.
Ah, okay.
500.
So yeah guys, dito kami sa massage. Dito lang sa may Beer Street. So pwede daw uminom dito ng beer. Ganda ng area nila guys. Then, chick. And massage.
Can you wait some more, maybe 1 and 2 minutes? Because now many customers.
Today?
Yeah.
Yep.
How many,
Working.
Working here?
Yeah.
4. 4? Yeah.
Grabe guys.
Hanoi!
Grabe. Iba yung 5 dito guys. Kakatapos lang pala namin mag-massage guys. Foot massage. Yung binayaran namin is 380 no? 380,000 each. 1 hour. Oh, 1 hour foot massage guys. Magkano yun in dirhams? Mga 30 dirhams?
52.
52 dirhams.
Ano ka magkaya dito, sir?
Okay ra, pwede man. Isa lang ka boxer lang ta.
How much? 4. How much?
51. Only one. Tag 15,000 guys yung sausage. We ordered fried rice with egg. Looks yum. Guys, malakas na ulit.
2 minutes to eat.
Guys, daming mixed nuts dito. Daming free taste.
I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta